Hey, so today on Tuesday Tip, we wanted to talk to you about the weather. So as you know, in Georgia, there's always that old saying, if you don't like the weather in Georgia, wait 5 minutes. And that's about true. That's about true this time as well. Here it is, we're sitting in March, and we just had, I think, winter number 4 over the weekend. So we did have some freezing temperatures over the weekend. Those of you who had peach trees and different kind of fruit trees and those kind of things, probably some azaleas that are out there that had budded out and bloomed. All those things probably froze over the weekend just because of the holiday season, just because of the weather season. Keep that in mind as we talk about turf grass. So everybody's excited, spring's around the corner. We're going to see more and more of the turf grass delay in its color. And the reason we're going to see that is because we're basically riding this roller coaster of temperatures. Today it was in the 30s this morning. Yesterday or over the weekend, it was in the 20s. Felt like it was in the teens in some places. And so you're going to have a delayed green up in your grass. So be aware of that as we go into the summer season. We are setting in March. I do recommend and tell people all the time, really be careful of planting your vegetables and your different plants, your garden plants, until about the middle of April. This time of the year we have a lot of phone calls where people say my grass isn't green, my grass is just not turning green, but the weeds are turning green. And the reason that is because grass really needs a certain soil temperature down around 4 inches of soil. Until we get that really deep warm days, you're really not going to get a whole lot of green up on your grass. And so that's one of the things that we're going to notice as our temperatures kind of go up and down, the layer of soil is not going to get warm enough yet, and so that soil is not going to allow that grass to green up. And so you're going to get that delay. The other thing this time of the year is we get a lot of phone calls about the weed seeds. They're like, oh my God, weeds are germinating, weeds are everywhere, weeds are everywhere. Weed seeds do not have to have 4 inches of warmth to really start to grow. And we can see weed seeds start to germinate with just a couple of summer-like days, like we had a couple weeks ago where we had some nice 80-degree temperatures. Those days are really what activates the weed seeds. And so just kind of wanted to give you some information. We are going to see some delay in the turf grass greening up this year just because of our temperatures and the way our temperatures are working. If you have more questions or you like more details on the actual science behind that or the information behind that, please let us know. Drop us a comment in our links and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Hope you enjoy your spring as soon as it gets here.